So we need now to create a mega menu like this one. So let's go to the menus page in the admin, and the structure we need to follow in order to create a mega menu will be as follows. Let's add some pages first. So I'm gonna add some stuff to fill our menus. So what we need to do is for example this page, sample page, to be a mega menu. So in order to do that, we'll create for example 4 submenus. So 1, 2, and 3 and 4, and each one of these submenus will be a column in the mega menu, and the label of each one will be the title of the column of the mega menu. So let's go back here, and for this one you can imagine the blog as the sample page, and mega title, and so on is page B, page A, blog, and front page. So these will be the titles, and the submenus for these titles will be these pages. So let's add some. And let's get one from here and save. So right now what we've done is just creating a normal menu. So now we have another normal menu like this one with multiple submenus. In the admin page there is a sort of a hidden feature. If you click on screen options toggle here and enable CSS classes, this will allow you to add custom CSS classes for each menu item. We now have this field. So we can add a class called mega and another class to choose the number of columns. So we created the 4 menus, so let's choose calls -4. And in my CSS I styled the menus that has the mega and calls class differently in order to look like a mega menu. So let's save now and refresh, and now we have a mega menu, and it's all about the styling here. Let's add the class open for this menu. So this menu item, as you can see, will have the class mega and class calls -4, and these are arbitrary class names that I chose. And now let's take a look at the submenu, and let's take a look at the styles. Now as you can see, if the menu item has a class mega, I styled the submenu differently, so it now takes the full width, and it also display flex instead of block in order to create these columns. And for submenus, each LI will have a width of 25% because it's 4 columns. So if we have a class mega and class calls 4, we will give it a width of 25, and if calls 3, then 3 columns, then 33.333%. So let's try and do this. Let's change calls 4 into 3 columns, and in my CSS I style the 3 columns differently. So if we take a look now, it's 3 columns and the other one collapsed in a new row. So as I mentioned, it's all about the styling, and as you know, this is not what this course is about. I'm pretty sure you can change the style of the menu as you like using these classes or any classes that you will instruct your users to add here. So you can take a look at in header.css, and this is my CSS. You can take a look at it if you want. And so here is the styling of menu item if it does not have a class mega, so not mega, and here is the one with the class mega. So you know, different styling, and then we have a loop for the number of columns from 1 to 6 and stuff like that. So I don't want to get much deeper into the CSS stuff. I'm pretty sure you can do this yourself. So this is the easiest way to create mega menus. I know it might not be the most user-friendly, as you should type some stuff here. Maybe in the advanced sections at the end of this course we'll try to explore a better way to do it, but for now I think this is perfectly fine. So let's start working in the accessibility bit in the next lectures.